Hi there, and welcome to this video about Milestones Professional 2021. This is our new import screen for importing from Microsoft Project to Milestones Professional. You can get to this screen in the Connections tab if you click Create Report from Project or Create Report from Project Server. I will make a video soon about all of these options in detail, but just to show you some of the new screens, I'm going to click on Try a Built-in Template. And you can see we've got all the classic categories here, as well as some new charts for each category. You can kind of go through those and kind of see what those charts will look like when you import your project file. Also, we've got some additional options for importing from Primavera. In the top right of the Connections tab, if you click on Import Schedule from XER, XML, etc., you can see we've got the XER option and also the old Project XML option. We've also got an option called Quick View, and that will display your XER, XML, or MPP file in Milestones and kind of bring over the whole schedule quickly so you can kind of take a look at what's inside that file. And just as an example, if you do use our Quick View option, you'll get a schedule similar to this, and you can kind of see what's going on inside that file. And another cool import option in 2021 is that you can actually import from Microsoft Project without actually having Microsoft Project installed. So that's a nice new feature in Milestones Professional 2021. So to get access to these new features, be sure to upgrade to Milestones Professional 2021 at kidasa.com. Have a nice day.